Hello friends, welcome you in Python video series. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about slicing and modifying strings in Python. So let's start with the slicing strings in Python. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax in Python. You have to specify start and index separated by colon to return a part of any string, right? So let's try to understand through an example. Here you can see I have a string is called s1 and I have assigned this value to this variable, right? And this is type of string, right? So let's try to get characters from position 2 to position 5, right? It's really pretty simple. What you have to do, just I'm going to print uh, so here just you have to write the string of variable name, and we want the character to be returned from starting from index 2 to, let's say, from 2 to 5, right? So you have to, last index is nothing but it's a exclusive, and start index is inclusive. So this will start from uh, uh, index number 2 till index number 5. So in array, right, in a string basically that follows index like array. So first character, which is h, is available in the 0th index, then first, second, something like that. So if you look into the 0, then first, then second, so that will start from L, then third, fourth, and fifth. So this is gonna return this file. Let me show you. So here you can see LLO and comma, because we have started from index number 2 till index number 5, right? Because here you have to write n minus 1, means 6 minus 1 till 5th index, right? That's how basically slicing works uh, uh, when you want to extract the part of a string or using slicing properties in Python, right? And don't forget, uh, the first character has index 0 like array, right? Now how we can slice when we want to slice from the start, right? So by leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character, right? So let's say I would like to get the character from start to position number 5, and let's say 5 is exclusive, not inclusive. Then how we can write? So it's very easy. I will write print, and of course a string variable name, and I would like to retrieve all the character right from the start to index number 4, or I'd say position 5, right? So start, just you have to leave, and 5. So this will start from the index number 0 till index 4. Let me show you. If I run, then here you can see this is starting from the 0th index and till index number 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till up to here. That got printed, right? Now how to slice to the end? So by leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Means let's say here I am going to print all the character starting from 0th starting from second till end. So simply you have to give the start index, but last index you don't need to specify. So what happened, it will start from it will take character from position number 2. So position 2, 0, 1, 2 from here, and this will bring to the end of the string. So let me show you. So here you can see that it started from index number 2 till end. So that's how basically slice to end works in Python, right? Now in Python also you can have a negative indexing when you talk about the Python string, right? So you can use negative indexes to start the slice from end to the end of the string, right? So when we talk about end, means first character, which is exclamation, which is available on the index number -1, then next character -2, then -3, -4, something like that, right? If you take index from the last, so starting from -1 and then -2, -3, -4, something like that, right? So let's say I would like to retrieve a character starting from -5 to -2. How we can do that? So simply I'm going to paste, and I would like to start from -5 to -2. So what is going to print? Let's decide first, then we'll run the program. So here this is -1, then this is -2, -3, -4, -5. So it will start from the -5, then -4, then -3, and that's it, right? Because and is -2, and is always exclusive, and start index is inclusive, right? If I run, then you can see that it started from the -5 till -1, because -2 is always exclusive, last index is always exclusive. So that's how works slicing when you take the negative indexes. Yeah, now let's talk about the some modifying stuff in Python, right? How we can modify a string in Python. So Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use to modify the string, right? Let's say I would like to convert a string into uppercase, right? Then we have a very easy method that is called upper. That's it. If you call upper, then all the characters in this string will be converted into the uppercase letter. Let me show you. So here you can see all the letters in this string converted into uppercase. Now if you want to convert in the lowercase, of course you have another method is called lower, and all the characters in this string will be converted into the lowercase, and that's how you can see over here in the output. Yeah, now I would like to talk about the how we can remove white spaces. So when we talk about the removing the white spaces, means white space is the space before and after the actual text or a string, and very often we want to remove this space, right? Let's say let me create another string. Here I'm going to create another string with the same value, is called s2, and I will give some space before the string and some space after the string, and let me print this string. I will print s2. If I print it, then here you can see there are a lot of spaces before this string, and after that string also there is a space. So if you like to remove these spaces before and after this string, then simply you can use a method is called strip. So just you need to call the strip, and that's it. If I run, then here you can see a space has been removed from before and after whatever space we had that removed. Now I would like to talk about the replace method, right? So here if you want to replace some substring, right, within the string, then you can use replace. So here I'll say s1 dot replace, and here replace I would like to replace all the character h with, let's say, j in this string, right, in this s1. If I run, then you'll see the output accordingly. So here you can see h has replaced with j. There is only one h, so that is replaced with j. That's why you can replace any substring in the given string, right, or given text, right? That's how basically replace method works. Now I would like to talk about the split. Let's say if you want to split some string based on the any delimiter, then we have a method is called the split. A split method basically returns a list where text between the specified separator becomes the list item. Let me show you. So let's say I have this string, and what I'll do, I'll just print this one. So I'll do s1 dot, I will say split, right, and delimiter I'm going to specify as comma, right? So if you look into this string, there is only one comma. So if I run this program, then you'll see this returns a list, right, and list contains two elements, right? Because why two elements? Because if you look at this string, there is a two words separated with a comma, and that's why this list contains first hello and second is the world, right? And exclamation, of course exclamation is along with the word. So this basically returns a list, right? And this list contains the elements which is which is basically broken by this separator, right? That's how basically split method works in Python. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we have learned how slicing as well as modifying a string works in Python. So guys, big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.